Hello everyone, welcome back to Nathan Trading Academy. I hope all of you are doing great. In today's video, we will completely analyze tomorrow's market for Friday, that is 3rd July 2026. We will discuss today's market review, the performance of today's market, and the activities of FII and DIIs. And let us also see India VIX and GIFT Nifty. So watch this video till the end because every point discussed here can help you prepare a better trading plan for tomorrow. Let's begin. Today's market closed with positive momentum. Let us go to the chart. So today's market closed with a positive momentum. Nifty closed around 24,175 as we see it here, right? So this is the 24,175. While Bank Nifty closed near 58,032. Let me pull it down. Okay. So Bank Nifty 58,032. So both indices managed to close. So here you can see the Bank Nifty. So this is the Bank Nifty closing. So both indices managed to close higher despite some intraday profit booking. So the broader market sentiment continues to remain positive. However, tomorrow being the last trading day of the week, traders should expect higher volatility. Let us first understand what institutional investors did today. So let us go back to NSE website where we can find out authenticate information related to our trading. So let us this is a FII DII activity. So looking at today's institutional activity on NSE, this is going to be like domestic institutional investors, that is DIIs. This is the DII activity. So almost like 15,315 they bought and 14,239 they have sold, that is the crores, that is where these values. So the resulting in a net buying of 1,075 crores. Uh, Although the combined market data shows slight selling, uh, let us see FIS. FIS like 13,403 bought and 13,104, 114. This is the FIS giving net buying around 289. So the combined market data shows slight selling from FIS across exchanges. Like this is where which is I'm talking about. So slight selling. This is the NSE, BSE across exchanges. Um, Today's NSE data clearly indicates buying support, like based on this value, because this is the NSE in capital market. So this is a positive sign. Whenever DIIs remain aggressive, buyers and FIIs also reduce selling pressure. So the probability of market strength increases. So institutional sentiment remains supportive. So let us look at India VIX. What is the behavior of the India VIX? So if you go and see here, this is the India VIX. So India VIX closed near 12.29. So the VIX continues trading below the important psychological level. That is 13. Okay, so that is the 13 psychological level. So this indicates fear is reducing from the market. Lower VIX generally supports bullish continuation because option premiums become cheaper and market confidence improves. Unless VIX starts moving about 13.3, this is 13.24 and 14. Okay, so there is no major sign of panic in the market. So overall VIX remains favorable for bulls. So moving to the global, like Nifty, GIFT Nifty. So now moving to Gift Nifty. So Gift Nifty is trading around 24,290. This is nearly 100 points above today's Nifty close. So the futures are still holding above important support levels. So the immediate resistance comes around 24,378. Um, like this is 24,377 or 378. If Gift Nifty manages to sustain above 24,280, which is around in between these levels during the Asian session, so we can expect a positive opening tomorrow. As of now, Gift Nifty clearly supporting a bullish opening based on the current market situation. So coming to like now, let us analyze the Nifty on the daily time frame. If you see the daily time frame, price made at low, and this is the positive indication. Again, this is also a positive indication. The market Nifty has once again respected previous support zones. The market continues making higher highs and higher lows. So the bullish structure remain intact compared when we see at this chart. Important support levels are 24,120. So this is the important support level. Price closed above this, and 24,050 and 24,035. If Nifty remains above these levels, buyers will continue dominating. On the upside, immediate resistance lies near about like 24,195, followed by there is like 24,260 is another resistance, and then another resistance 24,350, which is going to be the another resistance here. So tomorrow, our focus should remain on buying above support rather than anticipating a reversal. So the overall trend remains bullish. So the same which we can observe it on option chain also. So let us go to option chain. What exactly option chain is telling? Okay, so this is option chain. Mm, when we verify this using option chain data, so the strongest put open interest is seen around 24,000. This is a 24,000. That is 1,90,571, and 24,100. That is 1,44,000. So this clearly indicates strong support from option writers on the uh, put side. On the call side, major resistance is visible around 24,300, that is 75,964, and 24,400, that is 98,955. So this gives us tomorrow's probable trading range. That's going to be 24,050 to 24,052. That is going to be 24,300 is going to be the probable trading range. If Nifty breaks above 24,300, strong volume, then 24,400 becomes achievable. If 24,050 breaks, then profit booking towards 24,000 back cannot be ruled out. So overall, the option chain still favors buyers. Now, let's just see quickly on Bank Nifty what is the scenario so that you'll understand for tomorrow's. So this is the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed around 24,030, sorry, 58,032. The daily chart continues showing higher highs. Like in this also you can see. So this is the higher highs, right? So this is how the higher highs which is going to make in this way. Then the immediate support which is going to lie at around 58,000. This is the immediate support, and 57,885. If these levels hold, buyers are likely to push Bank Nifty towards 58,135. Anyway, from there only today, return price and 58,320, right? And finally 58,400. So as long as Bank Nifty remains above 58,000, okay, so above 58,000, then we can expect the trend remains bullish. So the same which let us understand from the option chain, how much confirmation which is giving from the option chain. So looking at option chain, the highest put writing is concentrated around 58,000. So this is 58,000 and that is going to be like a 39,888. So this clearly indicates that option writers are defending this level. Major call open interest is visible around 58,500. That is 19,122. So therefore, Bank Nifty is expected to trade between 58,000 to 58,500. So this is the range. So a breakout above 58,500 may trigger fresh buying. Breakdown below 58,000, so can invite profit booking. Currently, buyers still have the upper hand. So based on this information. So for tomorrow, for Nifty, buy only if price sustains about 24,200. And that is like in the chart, if you observe this, so Nifty chart for tomorrow, if sustains above 24,200, that is this one, above this level. Okay, so targets will be 260, 24,260 and 24,320, right? So 24,320 are going to be the next levels. Okay, so and keep stop loss below or like 24,120 here. If Nifty falls below 2405 here, if sustains above this, these are the levels. Okay, these are the levels. If goes below, avoid aggressive buying and wait for confirmation. For Bank Nifty, for tomorrow's trading session, for Bank Nifty, buy above 58,150. So that is where above this level. And targets like 320 and or 58,300, 58,400. Keep stop loss below 57,950. So almost near about this value. Right. So remember, trade only after confirmation. Do not chase the market. Wait patiently for your setup. So to summarize today's analysis, institutional buying remains positive. Okay, so like as I've shown here in this chart. So in conclusion or in summary, if you see, the institutional buying remains positive. India VIX is falling. Okay, so India VIX is falling like what you see here. Okay, so this is the India VIX is falling. Gift Nifty is indicating a positive opening like this based on this. And Nifty trend remains bullish. And Bank Nifty also remains bullish. Option chain also supports the higher levels. Overall, the probability favors buyers unless important support levels are broken. So always follow proper risk management. Never risk more than your planned capital on a single trade. So if you found today's analysis useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Nathan Trading Academy, and press the bell icon so you never miss our daily market outlook. Comment below your prediction for tomorrow's market. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow with another detailed market analysis. Happy trading. Bye bye. Good night.